My name is Uba, and I'm the founder of the Uba Law Group. We're a law firm that helps 6- and 7-figure companies protect their business, their brand, and their bank. We're going to talk about what you would do with an extra $10K in your business and how that can go from being just a pipe dream, something that you see on social media, something that looks flashy, it looks attractive, but you really don't know how that works. You don't feel comfortable with it because you don't understand the ins and outs of it. Today, we're gonna break down a few different strategies and a few different ways for you to look at your business that'll help you achieve those dreams. Here's the question. What would you do with an extra $10,000? When we say, what would you do with an extra 10K, I want you to think about that like it could be a reality, because for a lot of us, many of us business owners who have been growing our companies, growing our brands, making sure that we're creating that impact that we want to see in our different communities from our product or our service, for many of us in that boat, this can be a reality. That extra money that we're looking for, that extra 1, 5, 10K, in some instances even more than that, can be something that we can add to our business in the way that we plan and we map out our budget for our companies. And so how we do that is tax strategy. We've had a really big push for the past few weeks because we have our tax savings masterclass. But what that is birthed out of is our actual tax savings VIP days, where we create strategies for business owners that are customized to them and show them how they can save money every single day in their business by using a comprehensive tax strategy. What that really is taking the deductions that you're entitled to in your business and coming up with a game plan to use them every single day. So for example, my wife and I, we own a few businesses together, and so meals are a great strategy that we use to save money. One of the things that we like to talk about the most is taking things that we would have already been doing and seeing if there's a way to turn them into legit business expense. If we're doing actual legitimate business or discussing actual legitimate business over a meal, that's a write-off. People are doing business together and doing life together, and they don't realize that particularly meals are a great way to cut expenses. People will spend thousands of dollars on meals every single year. What would it look like to get 25, 30, 40% of that back and have it be an additional source of income into your pocket? One of the things that's great about tax strategy is that it really doesn't require you to do anything extra, anything outside the norm of what you already do. What it really does is it'll pull out hidden money that's hidden in your business because you don't know how to utilize it. You're not sure how to use these strategies to save this money. You're paying all of this taxes to the IRS, but as an entrepreneur and as a business owner, you're actually entitled to get a whole lot more back than people realize. This is the main thing that we're talking about when we mention tax strategy. There's nothing extra that you have to do. There's nothing out of the norm, but we want to teach people how to take the regular business that they have and implement these methods in order to get the different IRS deductions and write-offs and different benefits that they're entitled to as business owners. How you come up with tax strategies. That's one of the questions that I hear a lot. How do you come up with this stuff? How do you learn about this? Are you spending every waking hour in an IRS handbook or anything like that? And so short answer is no. I do spend more time reading tax code than most people I know. A lot of these things are based upon tax laws and then the different ways that we're entitled to use those as business owners. Most pivotal and probably the most important tax law is IRC 162A. What it says is that as a business owner, you're able to deduct expenses that are ordinary necessary to the running of your business. Particularly as entrepreneurs in a social media age, digital age, high technological age, there's so many different things that we incorporate into our businesses that we use for everyday life. And so if you're a business owner using it for legitimate business purposes, you're entitled to a deduction for it. So these are just different ways that we teach people to refocus, retool their business and turn what they're already using into a well of cash flow. There are other companies that are able to turn purchases that they already had into write-offs. And so folks are buying vehicles because they need a new car and they had another kid and they're looking for a bigger vehicle to help them out in life. And because they have a business, we're able to key them in on strategies that'll turn that into thousands of dollars saved for things that they're already doing. So when we talk about what would you do with an extra $10,000, the good news is for a lot of us, we already have the foundation in place in our business to be able to take advantage of these strategies. But what we're missing is the knowledge and the game plan of how to apply this, how to actually use this in everyday life on a day in, day out, week in, week out, month in, month out basis. And at the end of the year, have an additional thousands of dollars in tax savings, tax benefits created because we're actually playing the game on purpose and we're not just letting our business happen to us. So if you're looking to figure out how to save that money and keep it in your pocket as instead of paying it to the IRS. Check out our tax savings masterclass this Wednesday, April 27th, 1 p.m. Central Time. This is where we break down our top 15 strategies that save our clients thousands every single year. It's going to be a dope event. There's going to be Q&A. There's going to be chances for you to learn the strategies that we use ourselves and so many of our clients use on a regular basis, and you don't want to miss it. We have our Power Team Playbook, which is a free business game plan, gives you a step-by-step breakdown at every level of your business with tax, legal, business strategies to help take you to that next level. So it's for free. You can get it at our website, ubalawgroup.com. If you have a question that you want to ask, please feel free, drop it in the comments or shoot me a DM. I'd be more than happy to address that on the next one. All right, y'all. Peace.